To solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule, which dictates the order of operations. B stands for brackets, O stands for orders, powers, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here is the expression. Now step 1, we'll break it down this expression by step solution. So in step 1, solve the innermost parentheses. As you can see, there is a small bracket here. Why we are doing so? According to the BODMAS, we must always start with the innermost brackets first. So there is 6 minus 2 equals to 4, and resulting expression, it becomes minus 5 plus minus 2 cube, and then multiply curly braces 16 divided by 4. Now curly braces of square bracket of divided by minus 4. Now step 2, solve for the exponents. Orders. Evaluate minus 2 power cube. After the brackets, we handle the powers or indices. So calculation becomes minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2. So now there is a 3 times minus, and this is odd. So always answer in minus. So 8 minus 8, resulting expression becomes minus 5 plus square bracket minus 8 multiplies curly braces 16 divided by 4 and then divided by minus 4. Now step 3, solve for the curly braces. 16 divided by 4. Now we move outward to the next set of brackets. So answer will be 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. Now resulting expression becomes minus 5 plus square bracket minus 8 multiplied by 4 and then divided by minus 4. Solve the square brackets. Now multiply the square brackets. We must clear all the bracketed terms before moving to the external operations. So multiply minus 8 multiplied by 4 will get minus 8 multiplied 4 equals to minus 32. Now the expression becomes minus 5 plus minus 32 and then divided by minus 4. Now fifth step, division. Will divide it by minus 32 divided by minus 4. Division comes before addition in the BODMAS hierarchy. Note, there is a negative divided by negative result in a positive manner. So we'll divide minus 32 divided by minus 4. Minus minus will be cutted down and we get answer is 8. Now expression becomes minus 5 plus 8. Now final addition. We calculate minus 5 plus 8. This is the final remaining operation and we get the answer in 3. In positive because the larger digit is in positive manner. By systematically applying the BODMAS rule, starting from the innermost grouping and the following the hierarchy of the operations. So expression simplifies, 3 is the right answer. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.